Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make brownies using yam. First, you'll want to prepare your yam. Take one medium-sized yam, peel it, and then steam it until it's incredibly soft. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, mash it thoroughly into a smooth puree. Make sure there are no lumps at all, as this will affect the brownie's texture. You'll need exactly 1 cup of this smooth yam puree for the recipe. Now, let's get our batter ready. In a large bowl, whisk together 1/2 cup of melted butter with 1 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Next, crack in 2 large eggs and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, mixing until everything is smooth and creamy. In a separate, medium-sized bowl, combine your dry ingredients: 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Stir these together thoroughly. It's time to bring it all together. Carefully fold your prepared yam puree into the wet ingredients. Mix until it's just combined, being careful not to overmix. Then, gradually add the dry ingredient mixture to the wet ingredients, stirring until the batter is smooth and uniform. Pour this delicious batter into an 8x8-inch baking pan that's been greased and floured. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. Once baked, the hardest part is waiting. Let your brownies cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This is crucial for clean cuts. After they've cooled, slice them into 16 perfect squares. You can dust them with a little powdered sugar or add your favorite frosting for an extra special treat. They're incredibly moist and fudgy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.